Hello, my name is Guilherme. I'm here to talk about Chef's Club. Chef's Club is a platform that allows customers to go to nice restaurants in Brazil with amazing benefits. We have up to 30 to 50% of discount in more than 500 restaurants in Brazil. So to become a Chef's Club member, you need to pay $5 per month, and then you will have access to our Chef's Club card with your name, and then you just need to show up in the restaurant and say you are a Chef's Club member, and then you get the discount in your bill. At the same time, why is that so good for restaurants? Because they can adapt Chef's Club discounts for their needs. So they can specify the hours and the days that they offer the discount, and at the same time they can communicate better with our platform through our social media, through our website, and also using our CRM strategy. So it's a really huge platform for both B2C and B2B business.